Hi, my name is Rachel and I'm an intern at Autism Tree. I just graduated from California State University, Fullerton with a major in public health and a minor in Asian American Studies. And I really appreciate Autism Tree for giving me the opportunity to work for the autism community. I actually received an autism diagnosis this year on April, and it was really difficult for me to accept my autism diagnosis and wasn't sure how I can navigate my autism as a person who was late diagnosed. So I searched up all nonprofit organizations that work for the autism community in California, and I found Autism Tree. And I was very grateful to be able to do even just a small thing for people on the spectrum. And during my internship, I got to learn how so many people are passionate about working for the autism community, like their families. And most importantly, through Autism Tree, I got to know more about myself as an individual on the spectrum. I learned that I can pursue my dreams without putting limits on myself just because I have autism. I learned that if I persist and work hard, I'm a person that I can achieve regardless of my autism. And I gained more confidence in myself as a person on the spectrum. So thank you, Autism Tree. I am very grateful that I'm a part of this wonderful organization. Autism Tree is like a surprise gift for me. I am just very grateful for Autism Tree team members, volunteers, community partners that support the autism community. Thank you.